What's up guys, back to review the Storm Night Road. We're going to compare to another ball that came out over the summer, the 900 Global Wolverine Dark Moss. So we're going to compare Night Road, Dark Moss. So let's get into it. All right, we're going to start with the Night Road. Surprisingly, if you watch the first video, the Night Road looks pretty good from straight. Which is pretty shocking to me because I normally am not able to throw anything shiny or anything really strong to the right. Playing straighter just due to all that hook and free friction out there from the house shot. 5 more left for the Night Road here. And it really struggles on the oil for me. That one looked pretty good though. Just the further we move left into this house shot, because of how much oil's in the middle, it just kind of trips over itself. And it's very speed sensitive for me, which is kind of shocking due to the stronger cover. Okay, 5 more left. Pretty good. Failed messenger attempt. And the Night Road, the reason why I want to compare it to the Dark Moss is the Night Road and the Dark Moss are going to fit a very similar spot in my bag. And so that's why I want to compare, just to show you the difference. Even though the cores are pretty different, it still gives you an idea. And see, that's where I feel it should hook, and it just blends off of it. And out of a clean ball like this, it should really just go crazy when it sees that friction down there. Instead, it does that. Five more left. Maybe. And that was very, very slow. When So when you move further left, you think it will look better. And it just, it doesn't. It looks much better from straight. Looks much better from straight. Slow wheel. Hook. And it just will not hook. And we're going to compare to the Moss, and you're going to see the Moss will hook off of it. All right, Dark Moss from straight. You see already just how much it wants to get going. And if you watched that first video when I did the Dark Moss, we could barely keep it hitting the head pin from that part of the lane. And it looks really good when you move left, like insanely well. Look at that messenger. and that one was a little fast. But the night road, the night road did strike from there, but it almost didn't, if that makes sense. And the dark moss has no problem hooking off the friction. 5 more left. See, like, I threw it the same way that I threw the night road. And look what that just did. That's what the night road should do, in my opinion. For as clean and just how clean the cover is, it should do that. And it doesn't. Which is fine. It's just you cannot move left with it. 5 more left with the dark moss. See, it was a little late, but it wasn't the best shot on my part, and it still got there. And I think I missed a move. I think I jumped one, so we're gonna move that 5 right. Thought I already made that move, but we're gonna move the 5 back right because I skipped 5. My bad. All right. Yep. All right. Now we're gonna make the jump that we should have made before. Okay. 5 more left and get the ball return. See, I did the same thing with the night road. And the night road, 2-8-10 or 2-4-8-10, whatever it did. So when you need to move left, you need a clean and quick ball, you move left. Wolverine dark moss, if you need a clean and smooth reaction, playing straighter, the night road looks really, really good from straight. And again, it's not necessarily a bad thing that it's not good from left. It just, compared to the high road and high road pearl and other balls in the road line, it's always looked good from left. And this one, it likes the straight. So we're gonna throw one more to end on this video. Again, it looks good from straight. And I normally cannot get a ball to stay right on the house shot. So is it unique? Yes. Is it niche? Yes, I feel it is. But it's still gonna have a place. Is it gonna have a place in my bag? I think it's gonna be a great ball for the house shots. As far as tournament goes, I think I'm gonna keep my Wolverine dark moss in the bag. And yeah, so make sure to get your night road if you're looking for something really, really clean and not crazy down lane. Comes out September 23rd, and you can go to your local Storm VIP Pro Shop. Really appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one.